Okay, so good morning. Welcome back mga ka-mystic. Happy Sunday, April 20, 2025. April 20, 2025. Okay? So this is a collective reading for all signs. Let's see, ano nga ba yung messages sa inyo ng universe? Mga timeless messages na hindi nyo pa nare-receive or possible nyo palang ma-receive for this month of April 20 to May 22. Okay, so I can see her na hindi kayo aware, all signs, na may mga friend, family, relatives, or people, co-work, classmate, if you're students, okay, na kayo na pinagkakatiwalaan ninyo na in time, willing silang i-backstab kayo or tradoring kayo anytime soon. Okay, for their own good, for their own purposes, for their own need, personal need, okay? And I can see here na masyadong, masyado tong powerful, very influence ang kanilang mga personality. Maybe sometimes sa kanila kayo humingi ng encouragement, motivation, or anything else. And aside from that, it's telling me here also na I think you need to rest. Some of you is sobrang tired, sobrang pagod, sobrang nakakaramdam ng pag-overwhelm sa mga nangyayari sa inyo in terms of work and study, even in relationship. May mga iba sa inyo rito na nagbabalak na ayusin yung inyong mga relationship with your exes, with your ex-person, which is it's not a good thing na gawin ninyo all sign kasi you need to focus on yourself. You need to fix yourself first, okay? So, there is a lot of options in terms of relationship, even in career. May mga choices kayo, may mga pwede kayong pagpiliin. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-stick sa taong to, sa taong nag-betray sa inyo. So, just like what I mentioned kanina, maraming magbe-betray for April 20 to May 22. So, it doesn't mean na pwedeng friend nyo or kapatid, kamag-anakan, close one, or co-work. Pwede rin mga past lover, ex-person na nag-cheat sa inyo ng paulit-ulit and you're always willing to give this person another chance dahil babawi siya or yun ang kanyang project or pinaparamdam right now sa inyo. So, the energy is telling me here na kailangan magasing na kayo all sign. This is for collective reading. Lahat ng tatamaan ay pwedeng tamaan. Lahat ng pwedeng makarelate or makarasilate ay makakarasilate about it na mahilig magbigay ng chances sa kanilang mga ex-person. So, the energy and the universe is telling me here, all signs na you need to wake up. You need to realize na it's not worth it anymore to fight for this relationship or even to fight for this person. It is better for you to move on and to move forward kasi may mas better opportunity na nag-aantay sa'yo. May mas better na tao na nag-aantay sa'yo out there. Okay, so you really need to listen to your intuition, to your gut feeling. Okay, kung naman yung mga nag-end, it's already end. Naging part man siya ng buhay ninyo, but it's over. I am seeing here a new suitor, new admirer, or maybe hindi pa lang kayo aware, pero there is someone out there na nagkakagusto na sa inyo. Okay? Someone na magbibigay ng hustisya doon sa lahat ng pain na pinagdaanan ninyo from your ex-lovers, from your ex-person. Diba? Maybe this new person, ito yung magbibigay sa iyo ng healing process to move on and to move forward and to fully healed from your past issues. Okay? I am seeing here na mas magiging better yung connection ninyo compared to your past ex-lover. Like what I mentioned, mas magiging better po yung connection ninyo na tong new lover nyo compared to your ex-lover. So, your spirit guides, mga ka-mystic, for all signs, is encouraging you to move forward, to move on from this person. If ever na makapag-interact kayo dito, make sure it's for closure na lang talaga. Okay? Kasi mas magiging happy or mas magiging masaya po kayo kapag kayo po ay nag-proceed na rito or in-entertain nyo itong new admirers ninyo. So, let's move forward about sa pregnancy reading kasi naputol po yung video kaya hindi ko agad na-mention which is I'm already done na spreading the cards. Okay. So, some of you na nagbabalak magbuntis from this year, may possibility po talaga na magbuntis kayo but only a few of you is ang magkakaroon ng anak na babae. Most of you are magkakaroon ng anak na lalaki. Okay, most of you are medyo boys, ang mga magiging anak. And the pregnancy situation will be easy as in hindi talaga kayo mahihirapan mga kamami, mga ka-mystic. So, good luck with it and advance congratulations to some of you na magbubuntis which is it is possible for you to this year na mag-produce ng baby at magkaroon another additional family member at the same time. And I'm also seeing here din naman na ito yung magbibigay ng enjoyment, fulfillment, and another responsibilities na naman sa inyo, another obligation na naman ulit sa inyo, but it might help you also to heal from your stress or from your other issues in life, kasi having a baby in your house is what you call blessing, diba? So, makakatulong talaga siya sa inyo sa inyong mga healing process, to some of you na medyo marami pinagdadaanan or pinagdaanan. So, that's for pregnancy reading na na-mention ko na kanina. Naputol lang po yung video, Kamistik. So, let's proceed to your career reading. I can see here, just like what I mentioned earlier na kanina na naputol, is marami pong mag-i-establish ng business sa inyo. To some of you is dating empleyado sa mga company na napapagod na sa lifestyle na meron kayo, and you just wanted to be more successful in your life. So, you planned to open a business, a small business of course, para sa mga small timer, but eventually it will grow naman. Nakadepende po yun kung paano nyo siya hinahandle at manage. And take note, before opening a business, always make sure na meron po kayong idea about it, on how to handle that business, or meron kayong knowledge about that business, okay? At the same time, make sure na meron kayong plan B if ever na mag-failed ang inyong business na ina-open. To some of you naman is meron ng mga na-establish na negosyo na on and until right now, working pa rin kayo both sides, nagpapaka-multitasking kayo, and you're planning to establish another big business, so another big investment na naman ito, mga Kamistik. So, good luck with it, and be careful din, kasi na-mention ko kanina yung betrayals, and dapat maging aware po tayo sa mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan natin, okay? Kamag-anak, friends, or whatsoever man ang connection ninyo sa taong to, just be aware of it, and make sure na minimal lang yung pinagkakatiwala ninyo when it comes to business, okay? Always be business-minded po, mga Kamistik, and I'm seeing here chances na mag-grow talaga ito. I also see her kanina an energy of an inheritance. So, to some of you, may possible naman na yung negosyo or recipe ng business, or it's either ancestral house or other business or other properties or wealth, diba, namamanahin ninyo more on from your father's side. It's either to your father or to your grandfather, to your ancestor, to your father's sides, okay? That's for what I can see here, mga Kamistik. So, just like what I mentioned here, meron pong mamanahin, or kayo ang mag-make ng legacy para meron kayo ipamana sa next generations ninyo. And I see an energy and a guidance here from the universe na you really need to flourish into another path, or into something new, mga Kamistik. You need to embrace this new beginning, and you need to move forward na talaga. Okay, kasi iba sa inyo nag-hold on or nag-hold back pa rin sa mga past issues ninyo, and because of that, yun yung nagiging blockage. Kaya hindi kayo nagtatry ng something, or hindi kayo nag-move on from the situation. It's either love man yan, or career, or work. It doesn't matter, but it is connected to your past. Now is the time for you to move forward, kasi mas may possible po kayo mag-boom or mag-succeed. And I forgot to mention kanina, yung new person na makikilala ninyo is possible po from the internet. It's either from other country or in the Philippines lang din, but both of you is in distance, okay? So, magkalayo po talaga kayo. It doesn't matter if this is a foreigner or a Filipino like us or like you. So, it depends po, pero in time, mare-reveal kung sino tong taong to. So, good luck with it, mga Kamistik, and see you again on my next posted reading. This is a collective reading. Timeless, pwede nyo siyang i-replay every time if you feel like need nyo na siya i-replay at need yung pakinggan ulit yung something na nag-resonate kayo, okay? Or feeling yung message talaga ng universe para sa inyo. That's all for now, and good luck.